Okay, we're in the car wash now.
Bang bang!
Since freaking Cam shipped my truck.
This shit ain't gonna stink
And
anymore.
we gotta.
Oh, it did. Fucking dick, I'm all wet now. Oh, dude, that's trippy looking.
I know, look at that.
Look at
Look
it.
at that, man.
We're tripping out right
Look
now.
at that, man.
Look at that, man. Look at all the comments, man. Look at all the comments, man.
Holy shit.
Yo, this shit ain't gonna stink anymore.
No. This is the works, this one. Okay, it's 11:30 on a Friday. And it's the mid-80s today. It's a beautiful day.
No, it still smells like puke in here.
What? Does it really?
Dude, don't close the window.
I want to clean the door.
Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck.
Shut it! What the fuck are you doing,
Dude, I'm trying to clean it.
dude? That window doesn't go up fast.
Not at all.
That already? It's over?